In today's video, I will teach you how to make an online newsletter in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in the keyword newsletter to search for the template that you like. If you're a student or a teacher, you can type in school newsletter, and if you would like to make a newsletter for your church, you can simply type in the keyword church newsletter. Once you've found the right design for you, you can now open and customize it. Adding your own photo can be impactful and is great for making a newsletter more interesting and eye-catching. You can also edit the text and put the information that you would like to send out to your colleagues. You can also add different elements and animate the card if you're going to send it through email or any electronic devices. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer by clicking on the share icon at the upper right corner and choose the right format for your file. I highly suggest using PNG or JPG if you are going to save it as an image. You can also make a secure link for your newspaper. To do this, simply click on the View Only link, copy the link, and send it to your colleagues. You can also use the Canvas Print on Demand option. To do this, simply click on the Print Letterheads option and adjust the settings to your preference. And once you're satisfied, you can now fill out the shipping and billing information, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.